it's 18-year-old Yuri and I'm so happy to meet you. I normally have super dry skin and I've never really tried skincare before, so I really want to take this opportunity to learn how to do it properly. Hi guys, it's Yuri and I've been using the skincare routine for around 2 weeks now, so I'll tell you guys all about how that was for me. First of all, I think my favorite item was definitely the sunscreen. I used it every single day, even in Hong Kong. It was super humid, but it felt like lotion and it felt really light and it absorbed really nicely into my skin. So I was a complete newbie to skincare before and I never really used any products, but after using this one, I was thinking, where has this been all my life? Because it's so helpful for my skin. And yeah, I feel like I'm finally giving my skin the nourishment that it needs, and I will definitely keep using this in the future because I feel so great using it and hydrated, and my skin's so bouncy now.
진짜요? 봐봐요.
찍었죠.
찍었어요. 뿌듯.